Welcome to Compare Core, the channel where we break down the best products so you don't waste time or money. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best electric bikes of 2025, the only ones you should even consider this year. Whether you're after speed, range, or affordability, we've got the perfect picks lined up for you. So, let's jump right in. Number 1. The Lectric XP4. This beast is hands down one of the most popular e-bikes in America, and for good reason. Priced at just about $1,093, it somehow packs in features that usually cost way more. We're talking about a sleeker and stiffer aluminum frame, a 0-degree stem for better comfort, and a powerful 500-watt motor with 55 Newton-meters of torque. And if that's not enough, you can even upgrade to a 750-watt motor pumping out 85 Newton-meters. That's serious power for hills and city cruising. It also comes with a torque sensor for a smoother, more natural ride, brand new 602 hydraulic disc brakes for stopping on a dime, and 20 by 3-inch tires preloaded with slime to prevent flats. Oh, and did I mention? You're getting up to 65 to 70 miles on a single charge. That's insane range for the price. The Lectric XP4 is proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a reliable, feature-packed e-bike in 2025. Number 2. The Ride1UP Portola. Coming in at just $995, this folding e-bike is Ride1UP's answer to the wildly successful Lectric XP series. And honestly, it holds its own. First off, the cleaner aesthetics, especially if you grab it in white, really stand out. It's got a more compact fold, and the easily removable battery makes it a little less of a pain when transporting. Under the hood, you're looking at a 65 Newton-meter motor that's eager to climb hills, plus an 80mm front suspension fork with beefy 32mm stanchions to smooth out bumps and keep your ride comfortable. And the power delivery? Ride1UP's R1 CBC system makes a simple cadence sensor feel super close to a premium torque sensor, which is crazy at this price point. Now, quick heads up. The geometry really favors average to shorter riders, so keep that in mind. And if you can, definitely go for the long-range battery version. The standard is good, but that upgrade makes a world of difference. For under $1,000, the Ride1UP Portola is giving Lectric some serious competition as one of the best folding e-bikes for your money. Number 3. The Velotric Fold 1 Plus. This one's coming in at $1,499, and it's easily the most powerful folding e-bike Velotric has ever made. We're talking about a beefy 750-watt rear hub motor with a torque sensor that cranks out 75 Newton-meters of torque. Add to that an insane 450-pound max payload capacity. And, yeah, this bike means business, but it's not just about brute strength. Velotric made it practical too. The 3-step folding system is quick and painless, so you don't need an engineering degree just to pack it up. You're also getting an impressive range of up to 68 miles per charge, plus the reassurance of UL safety and ISO durability certifications. Price-wise, it's playing in the same league as the long-range Portola. But here's the thing. The Fold 1 Plus backs that up with some of the biggest power numbers in the entire folding e-bike segment. I've tested plenty of Velotric bikes over the years, and honestly, each one gets better. The Fold 1 Plus feels like a turning point. Power, range, safety, and durability all in one package. Could this be the new folding e-bike to beat? The hardware sure makes a strong case. Number 4. The Aventon Aventure 3. Priced at $1,799, this bike is basically a fat tire legend reinvented. The Aventure has always set the bar for what a modern fat tire e-bike should be. And the third generation takes it to a whole new level. At first glance, it might look like the old Aventure 2 with its 26 by 4-inch tires. But trust me, the similarities stop there. The new gravity-cast aluminum frame is stiffer, more comfortable, and makes the bike feel planted and confident, whether you're cruising streets or hitting trails. And here's where it gets wild. Aventon's brand new ACU control unit. You're getting 4G connectivity, geofencing, tamper alarms, and even an electronic wheel lock. Plus, the keyless battery system means no more messing with keys. Honestly, the theft protection on this thing is next level. Powering it is a 36-volt, 733 watt-hour battery, part of Aventon's new 36-volt ecosystem, which means cross-compatibility with other models, making spares easy to find down the road. Add in the improved torque sensor and full customization inside the Aventon app, and you've got one of the smartest and most secure fat tire e-bikes on the market. Number 5. The Lectric XPeak 2.0. Coming in at around $1,700 to $26, this fat tire beast is Lectric's ultimate value bomb for 2025. The first XPeak already had solid fundamentals like ISO 4210-10, EMTB certification, and decent suspension. But honestly, it felt like it was missing a few key details. Well, Lectric went back to the drawing board, and the 2.0 fixes everything. We're talking beefier hydraulic brakes that actually inspire confidence, a stiffer frame, especially on the step-through, and proper Shimano rapid-fire shifters instead of those clunky overbar ones. But the real game changer? The addition of a torque sensor? That means off-road riding feels smooth, natural, and responsive, instead of that jerky on-off feeling you get with basic cadence sensors. After putting serious miles on this bike, I'm honestly struggling to find real flaws. For the money, the XPeak 2.0 might just be the most complete fat tire package on the market right now. And while Aventon and others might try to keep up, matching Lectric's price-to-performance ratio? That's gonna be a tough battle. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 electric bikes of 2025. Whether you're looking for something compact and foldable like the Lectric XP4 or a full-on fat tire powerhouse like the Lectric XPeak 2.0, there's definitely an option here that'll fit your lifestyle and budget. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these e-bikes would you ride first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be hanging out down there and checking out what you guys think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Compare Core, and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest product breakdowns and comparisons. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.